হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু মুক্তাস কুকিং। আজকে আমি আপনাদের জন্য নিয়ে এসেছি হুইপ ক্রিম তৈরির রেসিপি। ঠান্ডা হেভি ক্রিম নিয়েছি আমি 2 কাপ, চিনি নিয়েছি 1/3 কাপ, গুঁড়ো দুধ 5 টেবিল চামচ, ভ্যানিলা এসেন্স নিয়েছি আমি 1 চা চামচ। তারপর আমি 20 মিনিট ভালো করে বিট করে নেব।
You're a wizard. They say I'm a wizard, I shake and I shiver. You mean to say I'm more than ordinary? I really should have figured whenever I was triggered I could make things happen, it was so eerie. They say I'm a wizard, I shake and I shiver. You mean to say I'm more than ordinary? I really should have figured whenever I was triggered I could make things happen, it was so eerie. I've never really been great with the rules, no way. Hagrid always gives too many clues. What a dumbass. It'd be silly not to search throughout the school and find a giant dog that likes to drool. There's something he's guarding, I'm feeling it's a ring, and whoever wears it shall start disappearing. I want that ring, I'll be as powerful as a king. No, Harry, it's a stone, and it stops foes from dying. Shut up, Ron, you don't know what you're on. I was told by the head wizard before I wrote this song. I think you're full of shit, I'm gonna ask for myself. Fine, go ahead, talk to Gandalf. They say I'm a wizard, I shake and I shiver. You mean to say I'm more than ordinary? I really should have figured whenever I was triggered I could make things happen, it was so eerie. They say I'm a wizard, I shake and I shiver. You mean to say I'm more than ordinary? I really should have figured whenever I was triggered I could make things happen, it was so eerie. Ron's a ginger, you know that you are. You can't even say Leviosa, but still he's got my back, so I shouldn't take the mick. Now let's dob in Snape, cause he was staring at my stick. Why doesn't anyone ever believe a group of kids? It's not like we're disgusting, horrible hobbits. We don't live in mud huts with Dumbledores. We actually have skills, we can use the force. And I guess I gotta use it right now against a face tattoo. An unspeakable evil, thou who shall not be named. Voldemort.
তৈরি হয়ে গেল হুইপ ক্রিম। যারা এখনও আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি তারা আজই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।